Hey there! Want to browse privately without leaving traces on your computer? In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about Google Chrome's Incognito Mode, how to open it, when to use it, and what it actually protects. Let's dive in. First, let me show you the traditional way to open Incognito Mode. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look at the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots. That's your Chrome menu. Step 3. Click on New Incognito Window. You'll find it as the third option from the top. And just like that, you'll see a new dark window open with a little spy icon. That's your Incognito Mode. Now here's the faster way that I use all the time, the keyboard shortcut. For Windows and Linux users, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N together. For Mac users, press Command plus Shift plus N together. Pro tip: you can use this shortcut even when Chrome is already open, and it'll instantly launch a new incognito window. Super convenient! So what exactly happens when you browse in incognito mode? Chrome won't save your browsing history. The sites you visit won't appear in your history. Cookies and site data, temporary files that websites store, are deleted when you close the window. Information entered in forms, like addresses or search queries. Permissions you grant to websites, these reset each session. Essentially, when you close all your incognito windows, it's like you were never there, at least on your local device. But here's the crucial part many people misunderstand. Incognito mode does not make you invisible online. You're still visible to the websites you visit. They can still track your activity during that session. Your internet service provider, they can see which sites you're accessing. Your employer or school, if you're on their network, they can monitor your activity. The government or law enforcement, if they have the proper access. Think of incognito mode as cleaning up after yourself on your own computer, not as wearing an invisibility cloak on the internet. So when should you actually use incognito mode? Here are some practical scenarios. Shopping for gifts on a shared computer, so the recipient won't see your searches. Accessing multiple accounts, like checking 2 different Gmail accounts simultaneously. Browsing on someone else's computer, when you don't want to leave your login information. Testing how a website looks to visitors, without your cookies affecting what you see. Researching sensitive topics that you don't want in your permanent browser history. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips. Tip 1. You can drag and drop tabs between regular windows and incognito windows. They'll automatically convert to the appropriate mode. Tip 2. If you want true online privacy, consider using a VPN along with incognito mode for an extra layer of protection. Tip 3. Extensions are usually disabled in incognito mode by default. If you need one enabled, go to Chrome Settings, then Extensions, and toggle Allow in Incognito. And that's everything you need to know about incognito mode in Google Chrome. Remember, it's perfect for private browsing on your device, but it's not complete anonymity online. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.